Okay, what is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to a massive, powerful, super episode right here on this channel. In this video, we are going to look at an event loop in Python. What exactly is an event loop? The event loop is a core of Python's async.io library, managing multiple tasks within a single thread to enable concurrent execution. It efficiently coordinates asynchronous I/O operations and network communication, improving performance for input-output bound applications without multi-threading complexity. So how exactly does the event loop work? So the event loop operates as a sophisticated orchestrator that collects and manages coroutines, meaning async functions, tracking their state and execution readiness. It also executes tasks sequentially, strategically, yielding control when input-output operations would cause blocking. It also automatically resumes suspended tasks when their awaited resources become available. It also enables concurrent execution through cooperative multitasking without thread synchronization complexities. And this elegant approach actually eliminates thread switching overhead while maximizing throughput for input-output operations and applications, making an async IO ideal for networking, web servers, and the like. This is a code block example where you can try this out in your VS Code and let us know how it went for you in the comments section.